Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to enable data saving mode in the YouTube app. If you're looking to reduce your data usage while watching videos, this setting is just what you need. Follow these easy steps to activate it and save bandwidth on the go. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. After that, in the top right corner of the profile page, tap on the settings gear icon to access your account settings. Now scroll down and find the option labeled Data Saving. Tap on it to open the data usage settings. Finally, toggle the switch next to Data Saving Mode to enable it. Once activated, the app will reduce the quality of videos on mobile networks to save your data. That's it. You've successfully enabled data saving mode in the YouTube app. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.